Welcome back, guys. Today we have a DEWALT battery. This one is not working. That is working. I'll show you how to fix it. Let me show you. You can hear the clicking. That's not turning on. Let me show you the other one. That's on. Okay, so we will fix this battery quickly. So you can remember this black one is working. I'll show you. See? And this yellow one is not working. And as we plug in here, I'll show you, this will work. This will give me the charging. You can see that is giving me the charging. That's quick charger. And when I will fix this one, that is not working. So I'll show you, this yellow one is not charging. Not at all. No charging. We will fix it quickly. Stay with me. So this battery is dead. The cell is dead. This battery has the power. So you can see here, this is B positive, that is B negative. So we will plug one wire here to this one here, the B positive, and we will plug here B negative to B negative. So we will give the jumper to this, so this battery will get a little voltage, and then the charger will recognize that this battery is there. So that is B positive, and that is going into the B positive there. So here is B negative, and that is going to this side, B negative. Make sure this will give the little spark. You see? So that means that is going to be charged with this thing. And we have to wait for like maybe 10 seconds. So now it's time to remove. Remove. And now we will plug the both batteries there. That is, you can see, that was working battery. That one have the voltage. So that is working. So let me see if this is going to be fixed. This has already been fixed. So that means this picked up, and that is picking the charging. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.